Duol mochung' ne wuoth makare apaya NTSA ojiwo obila, doho to gi kembe machiwo okumba mondo mi okas buche mag masiche mag apaya mikelo negi kaka yorno mar neno ni giyudo ratichgi. E kinde mane gichiwo puonj ewi wuoth makare apaya e kaunti ma Embu, maneja mar NTSA e kaunti no ma Imbo mar Kenya Doris Sibaya oyango ni jogo moseyudo masira mar apaya nyaka tarik 17 dweni osechopo 18,474 ka 4,103 ngimagi nitiere kind akuru gasumbi to 8,371 noyudo hinyruok marach kama moko 6,000 to noyudo hinyruok matindo tindo. Bende olero ni jogo mawuotho e bath apaya maromo 1,486, joriembo piko 1,085, jowuotho 721, joriemb geche 378 bende noyudo masira.
Companies to expedite all traffic cases before them. The burden of grief and stress experienced by these huge numbers of people is all the greater because many of the victims are young, many of the crashes could have been prevented, and response to road death and injury and to victims and families is often inadequate, unsympathetic, and at times even inappropriate to the loss of life or quality of life for the victims. In the coming months, the authority, that is NTSA, will be reaching out to the various government agencies and stakeholders to prepare for the review of various legal instruments to address emerging issues in road safety management.
I'm a victim of road accident. It was back in year 2020, August, along the Maya Road.
This garden will be a constant reminder to the university community on the need for every individual to observe and promote road safety so as to prevent further damage on our roads by exercising caution at all times.